how to scan YouTube QR code on TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into YouTube on your TV using the QR code that they give you. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So on your phone, either iPhone or Android phone, just find and open up the camera, then point the camera at the QR code. So as you can see, it loaded right there. And we see the QR code. You'll see a link come up. It should say youtube.com. Go ahead and select that. Once you select that, it's going to open up the YouTube app. If for some reason your phone did not read the QR code, check the description because I have specific tutorials based on your phone for how to scan a QR code. But once it scans the QR code, it should bring up your account. All you need to do is say continue as. It's going to show you the code that's on your screen, so just select continue. You'll need to allow YouTube TV to have access to your YouTube history, so select allow. And then as you can see on your TV, it'll load the users, and all you need to do is select the one that you want. And that's how you scan YouTube QR code on TV. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.